What if I told you there are 5 AI tools that can do your work while you sleep? Watch till the end to find out what the most powerful AI tool is. Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks? Well, these AI tools are about to change your life. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing how we work. First up is the most widely known AI model, ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant. It can write emails in seconds, generate creative content, answer complex questions, and even help with most complex coding. Pro tip, for better results, use very specific prompts. It's free to start and $20 per month for the Plus version. Next up is Otter.ai, your meeting superhero. It can automatically transcribe meetings, record conversations in real time, generate meeting summaries, and it even integrates with Zoom seamlessly. It's perfect for students and professionals alike. They offer a free plan and the premium version starts at $10 per month. At number 3, it's Jasper AI. It's a game changer for content creators. It can create marketing copy, write blog posts, generate social media content, and support multiple languages, all starting at $39 per month. Fourth on our list is Loom. It's perfect for remote teams and quick communication. It can record quick video messages, share screen recordings, automatically transcribe videos, and save hours of explaining complex topics. They offer a free plan and the For Business version starts at $8 per month. And finally, the most powerful tool on our list, Notion AI. It can organize your entire workflow, write, edit, and summarize text, create action items, and manage projects automatically. It's like having a personal assistant 24/7, 365 days a year. Notion AI is an optional add-on that can be added to any Notion plan and is only $8 more per month. Which of these tools will you try first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and follow for more tech tips that will revolutionize your workflow. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Codes and circuits.